Alright guys, welcome back to the garage on a very, very cold morning here in Illinois. It is currently about 10 degrees out. Weather Channel said it feels like a -4. So that's what we're dealing with. But anyway, welcome back to another winterization custom bike series. Today we're going to install a new sissy bar along with docking hardware on my 2018 Sport Glide. Alright, so this is the Harley-Davidson sissy bar. I wanted to go ahead and get a direct OE match, that way I had no problems with the install. And when you buy this sissy bar, you also have to buy docking hardware, and here's the part number for it right there. I'll also put it in the description below. And with the sissy bar, of course, you get the piece itself along with the back plate for whenever you want to put a pad on it. I'm still looking into pads into the aftermarket right now to see what's out there. And the guys at Harley told me that backrests that fit touring models will fit this model as long as they have the 3-point, connection here for your screws. So that kind of opens up a whole spectrum of choices for a pad for this. So I'm going to look at my options, and then maybe I'll get something bought here in the next couple of weeks and we'll get it put on. But anyway, before you install the sissy bar, of course you got to install the docking hardware. Now the docking hardware comes with some replacement bolts, which we actually aren't going to be using for this install. We're just going to reuse the stock ones. You know, what sucks about this kit is you only use like 4 of the parts out of like the 6 or 8 or 10 pieces that they give you. And this kit isn't cheap, it's like 50 bucks. So I paid $50 for like 4 little metal pieces that look like this. Harley stuff is not cheap. But it's good quality stuff though. I mean, this stuff's gonna last. And this sissy bar, man, it's solid steel. The welds on it are really nice. And I know it's gonna fit. It's a direct fit for this bike, so I know I'm going to be happy with it. And I know my wife's going to be happy with it, because she's going to be the one that's using this. Okay, so without further ado, let's stop talking, and let's start bolting. Alright, first step is we're going to take off the right side bag. Set that down over here. Next, we're going to take our little wrench ratchet with a T45 torque spit on the end, and we're going to remove the stock docking points. There's one. Numero dos. Alright, and before you install anything, it might be a good idea to go ahead and clean right here, because a lot of this stuff doesn't see the light of the day because of the bags. So I'm just going to take a little cleaner. You can use whatever you want. I use Original Bike Spirits, and clean this area off real good. That way you got a nice clean area for your install. Nice. Okay, next step, and this is what blew my mind, where I'm saying that I didn't have to use most of the hardware that came in the kit for the docking hardware. Now if you see here, you've got, this is a 3-piece. You got a bolt, you got a spacer, and you got a docking point. The only thing that we're going to disregard from this assembly is the spacer. That's it. We're just going to replace it with one of these. Alright, so it's very important to remember that the piece that goes in the back is the one with the black plastic on it. So this one goes in the front, and this one will go in the rear.
That's what she said.
So what we're going to do is take the spacer off, and for the front, we're going to use this version. It's going to go on right like that. And it is important to clean inside here, that way you got a clean area to install your bolt. Do it for both sides. Get any dust or dirt or whatever out of there. Alright, so I'm going to take a little bit of blue Loctite. And the stock bolt had some on it already, but just to a little bit of extra insurance, I'm just going to throw a few more drops on there. And remember, you want the one without the black plastic piece to go on the front side. So we're going to look like that. So, and again, take your T45 torque spit and put it on. And we start it by hand. Now, what's important to remember is when you look at these docking points, there are flats. I don't know if you can see it here, but I'll show a diagram right here. The flats have to be on the left and right side, kind of straight. Otherwise, when you put the sissy bar on, it will not have a solid fit on there. It's going to rattle a little bit. So you want to make sure those flats or on the left and right side. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put on the backside one. Alright, and after they're on there real good, we're going to go ahead and torque them down. Alright, so instructions say torque to 28.5 to 37 newton meters or 21 to 27 foot-pounds. Set. Alright, so our docking hardware is on the right side. We're going to go ahead and repeat this process for the other side, and I'm not going to show you to do that. It's pretty much the same process. And we're also going to clean this off real quick. I got a little bit of fingerprints on here from bolting these guys on. Alright, we're all clean, and let's go ahead and get the other side put on real quick, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut to them being put on. So, boom. And this side's dirty too. I'm going to have to clean this off before I put that bag back on. Alright, last step before we put the sissy bar on, we're going to put the bags back on. Alright, and this should be really easy to put on. You just put it into the front docking points first. And then just... And there it is. No rattle. Looks great. On there really sturdy. And that's it, guys. You know, it's nice to give you these extra reflectors, but this was just another piece that I paid for that I'm not going to use, so give them to a buddy if you got them extra. And don't forget, you got your plate, so when you get your pad, you can take this in to any dealer or bike shop and they can match it up for you. Alright, before we end the video, we're going to open up a little bit of mail. I got a nice haul from the past week. Went to the P.O. box yesterday and got all this mail. So we're going to open the first one. This is from Dig and the Hound. Anxious to see what's in here. Oh, it's the new version. Little note here, it says, thank you for the support. Promise to post a picture or video to social media or YouTube doing something fun, silly, or anything that makes you happy with the Diglet sticker. And yeah, there's his new stickers. Really cool. So this is the fun one that we're going to do. This one's going to go on the locker, Dig, so let's put you up. I'm going to put you right below your old one here. Alright, so I'll think of something clever for this, Dig, just you wait. Alright, next one here is from Tarnation. A couple stickers. Note, D-Cycle, thank you so much for your support on YouTube and Instagram. I look forward to following your journey on social media. Ride 'em, don't hide 'em, Tarnation. And I wish I could follow those rules, but when it's like -2 wind chills, man, I gotta hide them for now. But man, these are cool little stickers, man. These are awesome. This will look good on the locker, so let's put you on. Find a nice spot for you. How about right here? This looks good. What in Tarnation? It's Tarnation. I like it, buddy. Alright, next letter is from the Geared Raven. Geared Raven's a relatively new YouTuber. She's been really supportive of the channel and everybody else in hashtag support world. I really like it. Alright, for a D-Cycle, got a couple 6-gear stickers. Trenton, Florida. I like those. There's another one, a bigger one. Cool. Oh, and a poker chip. Nice. Says D-Cycle, have an awesome new year. Ride safe out there and thanks for your support, Mary. Well, thank you very much, Mary. This is awesome. And this is one of those 115th anniversary chips. Gainesville, Florida. Gainesville, Harley-Davidson of Florida. Look at that. It's got a little alligator on the back. That's cool. Thanks a lot, Mary. I really appreciate it. Now let's go ahead and throw one of these on the locker. Start this line here. Sweet. Also a nice little postcard of herself riding her bike. That's cool. Okay, next letter comes from Mr. Hickman. This would be JT Hickman. You know, JT, I got a sticker of yours right here already, but man, the more the merrier. Oh, these are new looking ones, man. This is awesome. That's nice. Nice D-cut. My Hoosier Heritage with JT Hickman, guys. Check that out. Guys, all these guys that have sent me mail, you could find their YouTube channel links in the description below. Oh, that's neat. It's see-through. That'll look really cool on here, man. You got the turquoise to the locker just shining through. Look at that. Nice. JT, thanks, man. Alright, 2 more. This one's from Jigimoto. Oh, nice, man. Little keychain for the bike. I'll have to use that this year. Appreciate it, man. Couple stickers. Spam card. You got some silver foil printing on there? That's cool. That's a nice looking spam card, man. Little letter thanks for the support. Ride safe, Jigimoto. Thanks very much, man. This is really nice of you. These are really nice quality looking keychains. Alright, another contender for the locker. Let me get jiggy with it. Alright, last piece of mail comes from Chris Shovestall from Fairmount City, PA. Alright, so we got PA Bearded Biker sticker here. Very nice. Couple spam cards. We got 2 stickers and a poker chip. Now, where's this one from? Du Bois, Pennsylvania. Du Bois Harley Davidson. Very nice, man. Thank you very much, PA Bearded Biker. This one comes off easy. Let's see. I'll throw you right here. Very awesome. Guys, thank you so much for all of you that have sent me stickers. This thing is filling up beautifully, and I love it. And remember, I got a P.O. box. Check the description below, or I'll put it right here. Sticker trade with me if you haven't yet, man. I'm always willing to send out some stuff to you guys. If you want to return the favor, that's cool. If not, you know, I have no problem sending out some stickers. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you very much for joining me today. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, hit that bell icon when you subscribe. That way you know I got videos out just like this one. Until next time, ride safe, take it sleazy, and I'll see you in the next video. Man, winter fucking sucks.